My next session is about how to get paid to test websites online without any effort. A lot of big companies look for feedback on the usability of their website, and you can get paid doing that. Companies as well as individuals, myself included, routinely look for feedback on the usability of their websites. Expect to earn somewhere from 10 cents for an assignment taking less than a minute to $10 to $15 when it comes to a larger questionnaires requesting more of your time. All the payments are typically made via PayPal either at the end of the month or when you have earned a certain sum. Here are some of the sites which you can earn money by testing websites: Analysia, Enroll, Feedback Army, Startup Lift, TryMyUL, User Feel, User Lighting, User Testing. Next one is UX Line, What Users Do UI. Now there are lots of so I will show you one example. User testing. User testing pays their testers $10 for every 20-minute session they complete. That's how you can earn money by testing website. So test website and earn money.